Hello everyone, we are still working on my granny square blanket. Today we will make this beautiful block in two colors. As you can see, it's made in exact halves. In one half we have used this peach color and the other half is made using maroon color. You can see the finishing on both sides. If you look at it, in the first block we made two clusters using one color and two clusters using the other color, and rest of the rounds were made in similar way. Halfway in the corner we change our color and start the next color, and in this way we get this beautiful block in two colors. Let's start. Today I will use these two vibrant colors to make my block. If you remember, our granny square starts with chain 4, which we turn into a ring. You can easily use magic ring. I have made chain 4, slip stitch into first chain and fourth to join them together, and then make 3 chains. This is our first double crochet. We will make 2 more to complete our first cluster. We'll make chain 3 and then make our second cluster. Third double crochet, and now we will start our next color. From first round you can see that I made 2 clusters in one color and 2 in the other color. Now we will make cluster 3 and 4th in our second color. Make a slip knot. And we will use this new slip knot to finish this last double crochet. I'll go back into these last 2 loops and use this to finish my double crochet. I'll take out this loop. Let's chain 3 and make our cluster in second color, color B. Now we will make 4th cluster to finish our round. Chain 3 and join with the first chain 3, which was our first double crochet. This is our first round. Let's start the next one. Chain 1, turn your work and slip stitch once so that you are in somewhere in the middle of your chain 3 space, and then start your next round. We'll start by making 3 chains and 2 double crochets. Chain 1 above the cluster and we will make a second corner. Chain 3 for the corner and second cluster of this corner. Chain 1 and now we are in the third corner. And I have made only one cluster for my corner because second cluster will be made with my second color. Again I will go back in these last two loops and use my other color to finish the double crochet and chain 3. I'll take out my other yarn, hold it in your finger so that it does not cause any disturbance. Go back in the chain 3 space and complete your corner by making second cluster. Chain 1 above a cluster and now we are in the corner and make two clusters. This is 1, chain 3 and this is the second cluster. Chain 1 above a cluster and now we are in the corner. Chain 3 and I will slip stitch into this first chain 3, which is my first double crochet of this second round. This is what our block looks like so far. Now we have finished 2 rounds of this granny square. We will start round 3. And to start round 3 we will chain 1 and then slip stitch in the chain 3 space, and now we will make chain 3 as our first double crochet. We will complete the cluster by making 2 more double crochets. After making chain 1, we'll make our first cluster in the first chain 1 space. Chain 1, we are in the corner. Chain 3 for the corner and second cluster. Chain 1 and next cluster. Chain 1 and now we are in the next cluster. Now we are in the next corner where we will have clusters of 2 color. So this is my first cluster, chain I will use my second yarn to finish the third double crochet. Go back in the last 2 loops, pick up a loop from second color and take out this loop. Chain 3 and next cluster. Let's quickly finish this round. Now we are in the last corner. This corner as well will have both clusters in different colors. So I'll make chain 3 to join these 2 clusters like this. So this is what our block looks like after 3 rounds. I will make few more rounds and then show it to you. So welcome back. I have completed my block. I have made 5 rows, 5 rounds and finished my block. You can see it's finishing on both sides, how it looks. Just remember, when you finish your block and cut the yarn to secure both colors securely. Tie them, hide them, fasten them securely so that the block does not unravel. So this is it for today. See you next time. Take care.